Hello everyone, my name is Kelly and welcome back to this piano series for kids. Today we're going to be talking about playing with our left hand. So far we've only done playing with our right hand, and it's very important to learn to play with both hands, so that's why today we'll be focusing on the left hand. Alright, so our position today is not middle C position because we won't be using our right hand. If it was middle C position, we would be right here. Here is C right here. And you can always write in the notes on your piano as well. Just make sure that you use a dry erase marker or a pencil because you want to make sure it doesn't stay on permanently. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to find a low C. And we're going to write in the following notes: C, D, E, F, G down here. Here's our middle C right here. And to find the low C here, basically what you need to do is just find where C is, or middle C. Middle C can be found by looking for the two black keys in the middle, and it's the white key right to the left of those. And then so the low C down here is, down here you look for the two black keys right here, and then you go to the white key to the left right here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to be using our left hand. Put your pinky of your left hand on C, okay? Oh, that might be tricky. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're just going to learn the seesaw exercise. It's the same exercise we did for our right hand, but now we're going to do it with the left hand. So you're going to put your pinky on C here, and you're going to play the following notes with these 5 fingers. C, D, E, F, G, and you're going to use each finger like this. So we have 5 fingers, and we assign each of those fingers to these notes. C, D, E, F, G, C, D, E, F, G. And if you remember the seesaw exercise, it went like this. C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C. Let's try that. C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C. Here's the one finger version. C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C. Now, depending on whether you're left or right hand, this might be harder or easier for you. If you're a lefty, then you've probably been wanting to play with your left hand all along since we've been doing all right hand stuff. If you are a righty, now using your left hand may feel a bit awkward, especially using your pinky and your ring finger. So our finger numbers on our left hand are like a mirror image of our right hand. So our thumb is 1, pointer finger is 2, middle finger is 3, ring finger is 4, and pinky is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this exercise for seesaw, if you were to use numbers only, it would go like this: 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And try to use the tips of your fingers. Pretend that you're holding a ball in your hand so that your fingers are curled like this, and you use the tips of your fingers to play. You want to try to avoid keeping your fingers straight like this. That will work, actually, until you get to your thumb, and then you go, okay, my thumb doesn't reach, what do I do here? And then you'll be tempted to use this finger like this. So try to not do that if you can help it. Alright, we'll also play the Gummy Worms exercise that was also in the previous videos. It sounds like this. C, E, G, C, E, G, G, E, C, G, E, C. One more time. C, E, G, C, E, G, G, E, C, G, E, C. The numbered version would be 5, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. A good rule to live by for learning the piano is to make sure that you can play with both hands. So if you learn a song with your right hand, make sure you can play the same exact song with your left hand as well. So I would add this to your practice routine. Seesaw. and Gummy Worms. Thanks for following along today, guys. I hope that this video was helpful for your learning. Please check out the next video in this series because there's so much more to learn.